Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in additional in today's newspaper of Wednesday, August the 16th, 2023, and I've already solved 3 puzzles tonight in this additional. Those are the 2 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary, and the last puzzle I will do is the Tectonic with 4 stars. In Japanese, Suguru. In Dutch, Cyberblock. Sometimes they call this also a jigsaw Sudoku. And this one will be number 6935. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has a lot of printed digits, 16 printed digits. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. So should be an easy one, but it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. So is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Let me check. No single boxes here. Well, dual boxes then. I see here only one dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. So let me mark those 2 boxes. I do not know in which order. Okay. Triple boxes then. I see here a triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, let me mark those. 2 and the 3. More triple boxes. No, quadra boxes then. I see here quadra box. There's quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Here also a quadra box. This box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember the L shape, that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Here another one, but upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case it's a 1 or a 2. Alright. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. More L shapes? No. 3 of them. Okay, then the following shape. How about well, this one. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here we have another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. 1 or a 2. More? Do we have more? Nope, only 2 of them. Then the following shape, how about the Z construction or the S construction? If you rotate it, you will get the Z. If you flip this or mirror this, you will get the S, but you need to rotate it to the right side. Okay. Well, this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yes, we have here 1, 2, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Next number 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize, and those, yes. So 3 And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These two boxes throughout the one can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. These two boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here. This box can be 2, this box can be 3, so 2 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 2 and 3, 2 and 3, so 1 is left in this W area shape for number 5. These two boxes can be a 2 or a 3, we have a double 2 there and double 3 there, so the 2 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and a 5, let me mark those, 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5, alright. These two boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. And then let me see. This box. Oh wait. Let me see. Come on. 5, 5, 2, 2. These two boxes can be 2, but also that box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a double 2 there. That means that box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for 2 in this quadra box should be here. These two boxes can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2. So the only two places left for the 2 in this L-shaped area could be here, could be there. Yeah. Now we have a double 2 here. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. It's not the solution to place the 2 there. The 2 supposed to be here. Alright. I've marked those two boxes with 1 or a 2. We have a 2 now. So this box should be a 1. Is connected with that box should be also a 1. 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. And this box is connected with that box should be also 2. I've already marked those two boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. These two boxes can be 2. These 3 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left with a 2 in this area should be there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be in, a 3 goes there. These two boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. It means that this box can be 2 and more. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 should be here. 3 goes there. These two boxes can be, these two boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 2. And that box should be a 3. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. Alright. These two boxes can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Then think. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Think. Come on. These two boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. These two boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Well, we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be 3 and more. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 supposed to be here and the 4 goes there. Then I think this box will be a 1 because it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4, it can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 3. So the 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So 1 digit left in this Z construction for number 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Is also connected with this box. Should be also a 4. and this box is connected with that box, should be also 1 or a 3, but we already have a 1 here, so it can be 1 and more. This box should be a 3, is connected with that box, should be also 3, 1 box left, and this is the construction for number 1. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for us, 1 and 2, 1 and 2 is connected with that box, should be so 1 or 2, but we already have a 1 here, so it can be 1 anymore. This box should be a 2, is connected with that box, should be so 2, 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 1. 2 numbers left in this area for us, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Alright, 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 2. Well, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround 1, can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area, should be there. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area, should be there. 2 numbers left in this area from us, 2 and a 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes with earlier with a 3, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 3, we have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this W area, same for numbers 1 and a 5. Let me mark those 1 and a 5. I think this box should be a 1 because can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 1 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. Then. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So 2 numbers left in this quadra box for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and a 3. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. Alright. Let me think. Come on. 1. Can we 1? 1. Can be 1. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1. That means that this box can be a 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3. Let me mark. Oh, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. Oh, no, 1 and a 3, almost made a mistake. We have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Well, let me mark those. 3 and 4. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Well, 3 and 4. 3 and 4. What's happening? Overlook something. Need a 3 here. 1, 2. Well. 1, 2, 3. This box should be also can it be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, 4, or a 5? Okay. 3, 4, 5. Okay, 3, 4, 5. Here, 3 or 4. But I'm stuck here. 3, 4. Overlook something. 1, 2, 5. Well. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and now I'm stuck here. What's happening? 3, 4, 5. Mm-hmm. Well, I need to trigger those numbers. And if this is a 5, then I cannot trigger those numbers. 3 and a 4. So, it should be 3 or a 4 here. So it cannot be a 5 here. Yeah. 3 or 5. Okay. So the 5 could be here, could be there then. Okay. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Okay. And how can I trigger these? 4 or a 5? Well, it can be a 4. Can it be a 5 here? Here's no 5. So I think this should be a 4. Well, thinking error. We have a double 5 here. That means that this box can't be 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the 5 should be here. 4 goes there. These two boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. Now I can trigger those numbers. We have a 4 now, so this box can't be 4 anymore. This box will be a 3 then. And 1 box left in this L-shaped area for the number 4. Okay, 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 5. Well, this box can be a 3, so the 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well. A lot of troubles in this area. But we solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I will do the fix. So, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I'll see you tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow on Thursday. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.